Here are some exciting coming attractions from Paramount.
Drivers from?
Eagle Rock.
It's up around Wilkesboro, isn't it?
No, Glendale, California.
A Yankee?
Not exactly. If you're from California, you're not a Yankee. You're not really anything. Can't tell you how much we all appreciate you letting us use the car around.
I told you about this route. Harry's got some new drivers in his car, just took a couple laps.
Who is this driver?
Tim tells me you've been running open wheels.
That's right.
And now you just want to up and drive NASCAR.
That's right.
What do you know about stock car racing?
Well, watched on television, of course.
You've seen it on television?
ESPN. The coverage is excellent. You'd be surprised at how much you can pick up.
I'm sure I would. Look, this may not be the best time for you to run this car.
Let me drive. I won't make a fool out of you.
Hell, I thought this was gonna be a joke. You were lucky in that tunnel turn, because that car was way out of shape.
Well, you think it was luck? Let's do it again. You build me a car and I'll win Daytona next year.
In 1938, the Knights belonged to Harlem. The place to be was Club Sugar Ray's. The man to know was Quick.
Now, when you see Quick, I suggest you guys make plans to go elsewhere.
Yo, I ain't afraid of going up against Smalls or Calhoun.
That's because you're young.
Come on!
Full of vigor.
I work for Mr. Calhoun.
What kind of work do you do?
Whatever's required.
What would a woman that fine want in a big, fat, nasty, greasy, 12 sandwich eating? What does she want with it?
Oh, man, she likes fat guys.
Eddie Murphy, Richard Pryor, Red Fox, Danny Aiello,
It's nice to meet you.
Michael Lerner, Della Reese, Jasmine Guy,
I'd like to go upstairs.
Arsenio Hall,
Oh, Quick is mine.
Gotta stop overreacting. Overreacted?
Harlem Nights.
I thought I was the only person who slept with his guns under the pillow. Look at her little gun. Oh, look at him.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
my life, my way. Walked the night and fought the day.